This is one of their sales. Bring along your favorite hair and skin products when traveling. If you guys ever see these in Ikea, oh my god, these are so durable. They last long. I love them. Absolutely love them. My favorite. $3.49 for these little pretty cute little mason jars, or $4.49 for these ones. found these at Ikea. I couldn't get over the price. These are $4.99 for a 6-pack of 15-ounce glass cups. They hold a lot. I really like that. So I got only 6. I might get some more. I'm not too sure. And then I found these. These are great for when my mom likes to have her water. They hold 8 ounces in each glass. Nothing special, they're just real plain Jane, but I figured these would be great to have. Then another thing I found is are these glass container storage. First of all, I was looking for glass bowls. If you saw my video or the previous when I was walking around through the store, and I wanted to find see-through bowls for my mom because I like to cut up fruit for her, or you know, maybe like some pudding in here or jello or something, and it's easier for her to see through the glass to see if she's done or not. And so I was specifically going to Ikea to find something like that, and I really tend to like these, even like if we're serving tacos with all the fixing, like the chopped onions or the chopped tomatoes and avocados. These would be perfect to store in those. And a bonus was having the plastic cover tops, so those worked out just great. I believe these were $3.99 each, so I picked up their last 3. I was hoping to get 4, but again, I might just order online or something if these work out. And then I wanted to give this one a try. Instead of having my husband, I want to start getting rid of all of the plastic storage containers. So I'm going to try this one. This was for $4.99, so I got one. I want to see how well it is as far as like microwave and dishwashing proof and all that. So not bad for those. And then another find were these bowls. Like I said, I was actually going to Ikea to find some clear bowls, which I'm glad I found these. And then I also wanted to find like for salad bowls and for serving bowls, like for cereal and salad. But the ones that they had, they were good. They were like 99 cents or $1 something. And as you can tell, I was really going back and forth between the clear glass. But then I saw these, and these were a little bit more larger than the glass bowls. Does it say the ounce? It does not. But these bowls here are really nice, and they were only for 89 cents. I couldn't get over that. So these would be perfect for our potlucks that we always like to have at our house. And I purchased 12 of them because we do usually have like, I don't know, more than 8, more than 10 people over. So we'll see how the 12 goes. And you just can't beat that price, 89 cents each. So I got 12 of those. And then another fun purchase. I don't really purchase too much candles anymore, but I couldn't pass this up. This is like strawberry raspberry scent. Oh my god. If you guys can smell this, it smells like strawberry Jolly Rancher, or maybe one of, you know, like the Starburst, like the red one. Yeah, that's how that one smells. So I got that one, and this was only $2.99. That was a great price for that. And then I got one in the green apple. Yes, totally smells like well, like green apple candy. Who doesn't like that? So again, this one doesn't have how many ounces in here. No, it doesn't. But for $2.99, oh, can't wait to light those up in our kitchen and see how those smell. So basically, this is all I found. I was really going in there also for wine glasses. Normally they have wine glasses for 99 cents. And it seems, I don't know how, but I only have like 4 wine glasses, the real less expensive ones, and I don't mind if those break or not. So I wasn't lucky on finding any more than 99-cent wine glasses, so I figured maybe Dollar Tree. I'll probably just go over there and get a couple. I just need a few more. Or might just go to Macy's on one of their sales. They always have really good sales on their glasses. So anyways, this is what I found at Ikea. I haven't been in Ikea for over about a year. So this was perfect. I loved it. I love going across the bay. So hope you guys enjoyed that scenery as well. And thank you very much for watching. And I can't wait to go back to Ikea. All right. Bye.